Yeah, so hi guys, I'm back with my sixth project, which is actually my third project. So task number six, decision tree. For we are using now decision tree as a prediction. So decision tree is basically you can use for classification and regression both. So let's start it. The first part is importing libraries. As you can see, I have imported decision tree classifier and the rest are like same things. So importing data, here you can see here the columns are id, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width and species. Rows and columns 150 and 6. Info, the method I said earlier, you can get information about the columns and rows and the data types. So here you can see description, where you can see count, mean, standard, mean, minimum 25% or 50% or max value. So this part of the project is same as before. Now data visualization. So you can use many graphs. So I have used one of them is box plot. See here you can see outliers, which is though harmful for project but model. But yeah, if we remove this, it will be more overfitting, so better not to remove it. Another plot I have done to visualize it is box, uh, his plot, this plot. You can see sepal length and sepal width. Here you can see some normal distribution kind of thing. Here too, here it's not that much, and you can see. Yeah, now as you can see here, the species column is a label data, and this is our target variable, target column. So now we have to convert it into the int format. So I've used label encoding, and you can also use one hot encoder. So this is one of the type of encoding, and you can just create a new column, or you can just changing this target to species, you can just change it in itself, that column. So I have retained the species column too and created a new column target. So now if you see the info, you can see here one more target is being created, column is created, name target, and in d type is 32 in 32. So creating data set, this is x and this is y, our target is y, then splitting it into the x and y train and test form. So I've taken 97 and 53. So yeah, now this is the main model we are building here. Decision tree classifier, here criteria you can choose Gini or entropy of your choice, and see this max depth is very much important. I will say you why, because deciding this will help you to get away or get prevent overfitting of your data. So if you remove this, or if you increase this, your data will be more fitted, overfitted. And so now you can see max depth means, here you can see just there are three depths, 1, 2 and 3. So if you increase this it will go more beyond this, and till it Genie becomes 0 in every leaf node, like in this it won't go further. So this is the way use importing tree, and taking its means adding features names and class names, like that. Yeah, so now you can see prediction. See, this is our predicted array, and label is 0, 1, 2, iris, virgin, versicolor and cetosine. Now always I said evaluating the model is the important part. So here you can see our testing accuracy is 94%, which is good enough. And mean absolute error is 5.66, so this is also good enough. I said you earlier it should be between 1 to 6. So I was saying about the model accuracy or overfitting. You can see here, if I change this max, where it's max depth to 4, suppose. So you can see here our model will give testing accuracy 96%, which is also good. But if you restart it again, yeah, so this is 96.23% we are getting, which is also good. But here the chances of overfitting is more. So you can just, like, uh, with your help, means your own, you can just change it, 4 or 3, whatever you feel. Okay, so thank you. This was the project of mine.